Today I am going to show you how to open the WhatsApp in the laptop. It's also called the WhatsApp web. Open the WhatsApp application in the laptop. First, then you will get to see a barcode. Just read the given settings to how to use the WhatsApp in the computer. See, you got the barcode. Now open the mobile. Click on WhatsApp application. Now you can see the three dot on the right side of the WhatsApp application. See, click on WhatsApp web. Now you can see this barcode scanner and scan the barcode in the laptop WhatsApp application. So it done. Now you have to go to the laptop. You can see now the barcode will disappear, and you can see the actual what it is there in your mobile. You can see here in the laptop. See, it came. See what is there in your mobile. You can see in your laptop also, same thing. By this even someone can spy on you. Even someone can do this without your knowledge also. So be aware of this. Please be aware of this. See, I have click on the Ajit chart list. See, I will show you in same thing in my mobile also. Clicking on Ajit. See, same thing. So be aware of this, guys. Like someone can able to spy on you without your knowledge. So now I'm going to tell you how to disconnect it. How to disconnect the WhatsApp web. Same thing, you have to go to the three dot settings there, up three dot. Then you have to go to WhatsApp web. Then log out from all devices. Click on log out from all devices. See, currently active Mac. Now click on log out from all devices. Yeah, log out. See, now you can see what will happen in the laptop. See, now it removed from the mobile, so you can see the laptop. See, to disappear, and it again shows the barcode. Thank you, guys. Please subscribe, share,